Hello, amazing humans. I just wanted to take a minute to share with you a DIY of creating your own chakra energy orb. I've decided that I wanted to do some shorts where I pull a chakra card, something for you to focus on that day. And then I thought, well, it might be a little beneficial if you knew how to work with your chakras. So I'm going to just share with you one of the easiest ways to start working with your chakras. And so I call it the little chakra energy ball, but I thought I would title it the chakra energy orb. Because ball sounds funny. So anyway, sorry, I've got a dog who's trying to get up in my lap. Um, so what you're going to do, it doesn't matter what chakra that you're working on. So I'm going to teach you two ways. You're going to just create the energy ball with just using white light. If you are familiar with chakras and all the different colors that they have, then you can also infuse your energy orb with the color of that chakra. So this is, again, just a DIY quick reference video for you guys to start working with your chakra. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take your hands and start with the size of a tennis ball and just intend, and you just kind of press it and imagine or visualize that there is energy between your hands. And again, we're just shaping this ball about the size of a tennis ball and just keep pressing it until you can feel. Sometimes you're going to feel something. If you do not feel anything, please do not get caught up in that. Energy is still there, regardless of whether or not you feel it. Some sensations that you may feel would be either heat or coolness or a tingling, and then maybe a pressure as you start pressing that. And now that you've been doing the tennis ball size, I want you to take it out to about the size of like a soccer ball and just press it. And again, this is just getting you to practice playing with the energy. And you're just going to keep pressing it until you can feel it. And we're only going to do the size of a soccer ball. Now, what I want you to do is visualize that this soccer ball is just this beautiful, brilliant white light. Okay. And then I want you to visualize or imagine or intend that if you're working on a particular chakra, that it's that chakra color. So for example, if it's the root chakra, visualize now that your soccer ball energy orb has red in it. So you have red and white swirling together in your energy orb. Or your sacral is yellow. And your solar plexus, sacral is orange, duh. And then your solar plexus is yellow, heart is green, throat is blue, your third eye is purple, and then for the crown, I use gold. All right, so you've got your soccer size ball, right? And you've been pressing it. So I'm just having you practice this so that you can start feeling the energy. Now we're actually going to compress that energy ball back down to the size of the tennis ball. Okay, so you've got this energy ball, regardless of what color it is. And based on the little shorts that I'm going to start doing, if there's a message there specifically, I think the first one I did was for your throat chakra. So you would just take this energy ball and you would place it on the throat chakra or whichever chakra comes up in the shorts or whichever one you're guided to do, or you could do them all. So you place it in there and you visualize or imagine or intend that that energy is sinking deep down into that chakra and into your body, and it's expanding within that chakra. And then you can also have it expand throughout your whole body. So that's how you create your own little DIY energy orb. So two things I want to mention. Actually, there's a few things I'll mention. So I'm going to say two rules. I generally do not have rules when it comes to energy. Energy is very intelligent. It knows where to go and it knows what to do. So the rules, if I would say, let's call them guidelines instead, because I don't really like rules. So the guidelines are, first one is do no harm. And the second one is for your greatest and highest good. Those are the two main guidelines that I always intend. And then the other ones would be, again, well, we can go into that a different day. So do no harm and for your greatest and highest good. So that's just really a quick video on how to practice with energy orbs or balls and how to place them into your chakras. And then you just set the intention that it is going to align your chakra or balance your chakra, whatever terminology or however you would speak. I like alignment because I want to be in alignment. So just set the intention that it's aligning that chakra and then it's going to spin properly. So I think that's all I wanted to share today. So thanks for checking out this video, and be sure to check out the shorts because I'm going to start doing daily messages, maybe not every single day, but a message from your chakras that may want attention. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video and enjoy playing with your chakra energy orbs or balls, as we like to call them. Have a great day. You're all amazing. Love, light, and really big hugs.